Best drip coffee maker made in USA. Number 1. DeLonghi, drip coffee maker made in USA. Built-in conical burr grinder. The built-in burr grinder perfectly grinds fresh beans for a quality cup of coffee, every time. One-touch simplicity to brew your perfect cup, every time. Bean extract technology. DeLonghi's proprietary bean extract technology automatically grinds, doses, and brews each cup to perfection. True Brew is an innovative, automatic coffee machine that brews drip coffee from fresh, whole coffee beans all at the touch of a button. True Brew is built to suit all of your coffee needs, for consistent, freshly ground coffee, every time. Simply pour in your favorite beans, make your selection, and press brew. Then, True Brew takes care of the rest.
For current price, please check the links in the description box.
Number 2. Krups, drip coffee maker made in USA. Large capacity. With a generous brewing capacity of 10 cups, our coffee maker is the perfect choice for a household of coffee aficionados. Enjoy more of the coffee you love. Filter type reusable. Pause and brew system. Our innovative pause and brew system lets you sneak in a cup mid-brew, without any spills or interruptions. Coffee on demand, just the way you like it. Keep warm function. Automatically activated post-brew, maintaining the perfect coffee temperature for up to 2 hours. Your coffee stays hot and ready to serve. Effortless brewing. Equipped with a reusable coffee filter for less waste, a measuring spoon, a no-drip carafe, and an easy on/off button. Enjoy an uncomplicated coffee experience every day.
For current price, please check the links in the description box.
Number 3. Bonavita, drip coffee maker made in USA. Bonavita's 5-cup coffee maker is engineered to similar brewing specifications as our popular 8-cup series brewers, is best for those who prefer to brew their coffee in small 4 to 5-cup batches. Award-winning results. Golden Cup standard coffee machine is curated with features to mimic the artisan pour-over brewing method. This machine brews coffee to Golden Cup standard when following our recommended brewing instructions, and is curated with features to mimic the artisan pour-over brewing method. Better flavor, fast, 1100 watts heater maintains professional recommended brewing temp of 198 degrees - 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal flavor extraction. Stainless steel thermal carafe is durable and double-walled to keep coffee's ideal temperature longer.
For current price, please check the links in the description box.
Number 4. Braun, drip coffee maker made in USA. Braun's pure flavor technology ensures your coffee is made at the right temperature and brewing time to extract the best coffee flavor and aroma. Expect excellent results, whether you brew a full pot or choose the 1 to 4 cup setting. A programmable 24-hour timer means your coffee will be ready when you are. The auto shut-off feature will turn it off automatically. And the easy-to-read clock is visible from anywhere in your kitchen. The brew pause system lets you pour a cup anytime during the brew cycle without dripping. Plus, the 12-cup flavor carafe seals in the fresh flavor by minimizing air exposure. Smarter by design. The sleek, elegant design features a smaller footprint and lower profile, easy access control panel and convenient cord storage.
For current price, please check the links in the description box.
Number 5. Cafe, drip coffee maker made in USA. Experience a barista quality cup of coffee right from your own counter with this stylish, SCA certified coffee maker that has been rigorously tested to ensure your coffee is consistently delicious. Wi-Fi enabled. Adorn your kitchen with this beautifully designed smart coffee maker that can be controlled with the Smart HQ app, Alexa, and Google Home. Voice to brew controls deliver a conveniently connected perfect cup, every time. 10 Cuban pesos brew. Whether you're brewing 1 cup or a whole pot, you can customize every cup to your personal taste with this advanced 10-cup coffee maker that stores your favorite settings for number of cups, temperature and brew strength. Custom brew strength. Enjoy the perfect, balanced cup of coffee exactly the way you like it courtesy of 4 unique brewing modes: gold, light, medium, and bold.
For current price, please check the links in the description box. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.